Hello dear friends, welcome back to another episode of Felix and Virginia YouTube videos. So in our today episode, I'm going to teach you on how to reprint your KRA PIN certificate. So I was chatting with my friend another day and he told me he does not have his KRA PIN. I told him when you applied for KRA PIN, it usually comes to your email. And also, if you can be able to access it in your email, you can come here to your iTax and log in and go here and go to registration. Then you will see reprint PIN certificate. When that page loads, you will find a place where you will input you are a taxpayer who wants to reprint this PIN certificate, and you will have an option to download it and store it in your computer or your desktop. So that is an easy way of reprinting a certificate, a KRA PIN certificate. The other method, you can find it in your email. They send it to the registered email that you use to register iTax account with. So this is an episode I'm doing about KRA iTax related stuff. So if you're interested to see more about this stuff, please hit the subscribe button and let's continue growing and improving each other's life. So till next time, bye, and watch another video if you want to see how to file nil returns. I will link it here.